Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Shailesh Kulkarni, father of Mr. Boy, a hoteler since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into managing director, founder of Belen Hospital Private Limited. Today, I thought of making a video on the lockdown which is imposed by the Maharashtra government, or the night curfew which is imposed by the Maharashtra government. Now, when you look at our industry, when you look at the hotel industry, or to be specific, the restaurant industry, it is completely depending, majority depending on the dinner part of it. Whatever starts in the restaurant, it starts after 7:30, 8 o'clock. And the government has decided to put a night curfew from 8 p.m. onwards. My dear friends, what will happen now? Our industry has just started picking up. The migrated laborers, the low-lying staff, the waiters, the cooks, the commis, they have returned back to their respective destinations or respective organizations or respective F&B outlets or hotels. More or less in September or October, if you look at after the lockdown opened, and most of the hotel owners, I remember, including myself, we have paid for their travel, we have paid for their accommodation while traveling. They faced so much of difficulties. Having said that, the restaurants and the F&B outlets have started picking up. This lockdown will actually ruin up the entire restaurant industry. It will take you back for next 2 to 3 years. Government is not looking at the larger part of it. It is actually not blaming themselves. They have failed to take care. They have failed to take care in terms of handling the public. I'm not saying that people of the state have cooperated, but it was government's responsibility to ensure strict actions against people who are not following the laws. If you have opened up during the COVID time, it was your duty just not to announce mask and 2 gaz ki duri will solve the problem. You have to, or you had to also implement it in terms of your government weapons. So I would say we hoteliers should be prepared to take a nice beating in terms of this particular lockdown for the Maharashtra restaurateurs and the hoteliers. It is a tough time now. We have to bounce back once again once it opens up, but I'm sure we are going to face a lot of trouble. The people who have traveled all the way, we have to maintain them. Most of the hotels and restaurants are on rent. 70 to 80%, 70 to 75% hotels are on rent. Paying the rent, taking care of the light bills, taking care of the staff salaries, their food and accommodation. It's a huge task. Over and above the licenses fees. So it's a tough time for us. Let's be motivated. Let's not go down. We have kept the spirit. We will keep the spirit. Take care of yourself.